Greetings and thanks for dropping by for this issue of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Friday, February the 8th, 2013. Our replay clock is stopped at 6 a.m. Pacific time, and let's get started with our data feed. You can see I'm using a new variation on the chart template here. Alright, now we're starting to turn and go up a little bit. We've got a new cross on the stochastic with the 1 minute chart over here. So let's go ahead and get long. On the 3 minute, we're using the CCI, Commodity Channel Index, in lieu of the stochastic. We've got our red, white, and blue alignment now, and we're above the trend definer, so let's see what happens. Okay, hit the first target, move the stop. Hit the second target. And the third target. Alright. That was quite a substantial rally up there. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit here. Alright, now we've got a bearish cross on the long-term MACD over here on the 1 minute. The Stoch is dropping out of the overbought zone. We've got a bearish cross on our faster MACD, which is actually the same as this one over here. But what's interesting, and what I'm testing out today, is that our CCI has been above plus 200 and is now falling below plus 100. This may be an interesting bullish sign here. So let's give it a try. Well, we took quite a sojourn in the wrong direction here, but notice that our faster MACD is still bearish, and our CCI is still under that white plus 100 line. Move this up a ways. Alright, we finally hit the first target and move the stop about the same time when we flip that parabolic. Alright, and we're stopped out, so we only picked up the bare minimum on that one, but better than the alternative. Alright, white is still below the red. We have a bearish cross on the larger stochastic, larger MACD, what I meant to say. So let's just see what we got going on here. Definitely mixed signals. Faster MACD is rising, slower is falling. One of the things that might be happening here is after a big strong rally like we had, oftentimes what will happen is you'll get a prolonged sideways consolidation as the trend defining moving average kind of catches up. And you can see the angle of ascent is going to put the intersection point right near the end of the day. So we have to be extra cautious if we take any trades, because there's a real good chance that this thing is just going to meander sideways. Notice that these swings aren't even hitting the upper or lower Donchian channel to speak of. That's how narrow they are. All right, we flipped the parabolic. If we get some kind of a breakout, we could switch to the 1 minute chart and look for an entry point. But right now, not much is going on. All right, now notice our CCI is touching that plus 200 level, which is relatively high. Now, if it drops like that below the plus 100 after being at the plus 200, there's a good chance that maybe this will drop enough to hit a target. Let's give it a shot. Still meandering sideways. Flip the parabolic, and we hit the first target. Haven't moved the stop yet, though. I'm going to move it manually. Oh, didn't have to. Finally went far enough to actually move it on its own. Notice that the parabolic had already caught up to it. Well, kind of flirted with that second target, but not enough. Okay, and we're stopped out. Now, because we were in that trade, we missed a potential entry here. We went below the minus 200 and then came above the minus 100. But to make that an effective entry, we would have had to have entered about here. So we may have already gone too far. Plus, what does the timer say? It's 12:54. So we are done for the day with 875 and 3 trades. And let's just play this on out. And as you can see, it stayed pretty flat right up till the end there. So okay, 875 on 3 trades is what we could have gotten with 9 contracts. So we'll see you again real soon.